The Fundability System makes it easy to get business credit, loans, and credit lines to start and grow your business. Fundability makes business credit building fast and simple with the Business Credit Builder. You can access your fundability score, make simple changes to fundability issues that will get you denied, and exponentially increase your chances of getting approved. You can easily set up your credit profiles with the major reporting agencies and get your essential identifying numbers, including your DUNS number from Dun & Bradstreet. You can see all the business credit cards you qualify for now, with even more available as you continue to improve your fundability and build your business credit. Plus, you'll only see accounts you're matched with now, so you're not wasting time applying for accounts you don't yet qualify for. You can access business credit with retailers, fuel and fleet credit, auto financing, and universal credit, including Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. And many sources you can get approved for without a personal guarantee or consumer credit check. And with the trade vendor distribution feature, you can ensure you have the preferred number of accounts lenders want to see on your business credit reports with Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian. The Funding Explorer feature in the Fundability System unlocks loans and credit lines for you by showing the fundability requirements of each lender and the fundability factors you've met to obtain each type of financing. Once matched, in a couple of clicks, you can easily apply for funding and quickly get approved. You can even see strengthening factors. These are things you can do to qualify for higher approval amounts and better rates and terms. Funding Explorer also shows you financing programs you don't yet qualify for, why you don't qualify, and exactly what to fix to get approved. You can even access your very own funding manager to keep track of all your financing approvals and track how much funding you've been approved for. Through the Fundability System, you can get access to Bureau Insights, which is the business data, scores, and reports that lenders use to make all types of decisions about you. Bureau Insights gets you access to multiple scores and ratings from the main business credit reporting agencies, including guidelines lenders use to determine approval amounts, fraud flags that lenders use to identify problems, utilization ratios, high limits on your accounts, firmographic details, including your revenue and employee count, which are used to calculate your business credit scores, payment trends, legal filing data, including UCC filings, and much more. Get access to all the cutting-edge financing features in the Fundability System today for the easiest and fastest way to get money to start and grow your business.